Namaste, I'm Jaya Palashri from Samskara Healing. I welcome you for this talk of mine. I didn't give a whole series of conversations about shamanism, and I truly appreciate. I've been getting a lot of positive feedback. A lot of people have been sharing my videos, and I'm truly grateful for it. A common question that people asked is, I find it, why do you charge so much for a shamanic workshop, whereas other workshops are not so expensive? A shamanic journey is not an easy journey. A lot of energy is to be put in, and a lot of guidance needs to be given. And with the kind of time and effort going to be put in, the kind of energy work which is going to be done, introducing you to your guides, to your power animals, teaching you how to do inner child work, healing with your trauma, dealing with situations, things like that. It takes time, it takes a lot of effort, and there are two different levels, which is the basic and advanced, which is put in together, and I have combined it, and I'm teaching you as per what is known as in my shamanism, which obviously in turn is going to become, you're going to bring up, and you'll have your own shamanism as to how you want to work and what you would like to do and how you would like to proceed. So this is one of the reasons why it's expensive, and always we pay for quality. I have done my shamanic workshop with two different teachers, and for both it hasn't come at a cheap price to me. And I wouldn't say a cheap price, but I wanted to learn shamanism because I wanted a soul transformation, and it brought it onto my space, and that's exactly what I want to do to others. I have benefited from it. I have changed as a human being. I see life differently. As I've spoken in a couple of other videos, I have understood the importance, and I know how important it is to set boundaries. I know how important it is to have self-respect and have self-love and self-identity. All these things have really helped me and made me understand how important something like shamanism is. So, with the kind of learning that I have received, and since I've made it part of my life, and every day I use shamanism part of my regular routine, I want to inculcate it to the same for those who feel drawn to come to me to learn the workshop. Keep having a kind of a lookout. There is promotions going on whenever my next workshop is going to come up soon. It could be there on Facebook, Insta. You would be able to kind of be part of it and enroll for it. It's 3 days. It is intense, but you do bring in a transformation into your space. 3 days changed my life for the better, and if I could do that, I would be more than happy to come and help you in case if you reach out to me. After doing this, would I be able to go forward and teach? No. But you would be able to heal other people if you choose to heal using this technique. Like I stated before, don't come to learn shamanism as learning and healing modality. Learn shamanism. For me, shamanism it's changed me. It's become the way of life for me, and shamanism has become me. And I would want to do that for you. It is not about learning a healing technique or a healing modality and then saying, oh, I know this, I know that. It's not like having multiple feathers in a cap. But it's about what is it that you want out of it? What is it that you want to do with it? Are you looking for a change? Are you looking for a transformation? Are you trying to work on yourself where, you've been trying and you've not been able to do something? And yet you feel that, oh no, this is a little over my budget. But trust me, it's worth it to put your planning and savings aside to do something like this. Because end of the day, what is it that each and every one are looking for? We're looking for peace, we're looking for happiness. And where do we find it? We find it within ourselves. And what can help us get this and understand this and show us the path and light? Those are our guides, our power animals. And through shamanism, we connect to them and we work with them. So For some people it's excitement, for some people it's curiosity. I've had all kind of people coming to me to learn. I've had people asking me, oh really, is it like this? Oh, is it like that? Oh, I want to meet my guy. They're excited. And it's not about excitement aside, but it's not about sitting in the space of excitement, but understanding that this is something very sacred, very pure, very intense, and see how you would like to use it and how you would like to inculcate it and how do you want to make it part of your life. That is very important. Once you understand that, once you make it part of you, you would be surprised to see the way you would be transforming yourself, the way your intuition would start growing, the way you would be able to understand situations. When you start understanding the very essence of what you are, your soul contract, why are you here, what are your relationships, how do you work with it, how do you pull your power back from people who are triggering things into you, how do you put things in a space where you're able to see it in the bigger picture. These are the things which is going to bring the transformation into you. It's an intense, power-packed 3-day workshop. And with that, I look forward to having you all in my workshop one day or the other. But the rest, it's obviously the call of the Great Spirit. If you are called out and if you feel comfortable, look out for when my workshop is coming up, which is going to be coming up pretty soon, and reach out to know more. Thank you so much. Take care, and I wish you well. Namaste.